In this video, you will see how to remove border in WPS Office Writer. To remove the border in WPS Office of a page, you first need to go to the Page Layout tab here. And under the Page Layout tab, you will see the Page Borders option. This option is used to add and remove page borders. So after clicking on this option, you will see this dialog box. Make sure you have clicked on page border and the tab appears blue. Now because we have a border, so at present it is showing the box. You can see the preview here. And to remove the border, we just need to select this option, none, and this will remove the border from the page. After selecting the none option, make sure you have selected whole document. If you want to remove page border from the whole document, and then click on OK. In this way you can delete border in WPS Office Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office. See you again in the next one.